Wait, clean the count off. Trying to get done making this macaroni real quick. As you guys know, it's the Queen channel. The Harris family. Cooking Tiaja a birthday dinner. So yeah. I already got the beans in the oven. Macaroni finna be done. When I don't really want to do something on this because I really don't want to cook. I'm gonna cook. As you know, it's Tia's birthday. A star was born. A star was born. Now let's make this macaroni real quick. I already seasoned it. So if you watch part 1, the whole video, you will watch part 2, and you will see that I had already seasoned the macaroni. Yeah. I don't know what you're doing over there. I don't know what you got going on, but I already told y'all, don't be doing all that with all that stuff you got going on over there. I already told y'all that. All that Kool-Aid and stuff y'all doing, all that, Give me them scissors from up there. So, I'm gonna make the macaroni. This is box macaroni. I just add my ingredients to it. A little bit of seasoning, salt, garlic, black pepper, butter, milk, and the cheese that come in the packet. And that's it. Nothing drastic or just making some macaroni. Tasia. Move your headphones. Huh? Move your headphones. They're on the kitchen table. So I had to cook 3 boxes of macaroni. So I cut 3 boxes of macaroni, so it gave me 3 packs of cheese. So yeah.
You need 3 packs of cheese, I think.
Clean that tape off, Taisha. There's still stuff on the couch. It's still stuff on the couch. I never said that. You know I didn't say that. So now I'm done with that. Getting ready to make this macaroni. Yeah. Give me a pack of shredded cheese now. I do add shredded cheese to this. Clean that table completely off. Get at the answer, and that's probably it. So, I don't know how y'all make y'all macaroni, but I just add a little bit of shredded cheese to this so it can give that boom flavor. Whatever the heck you want to call it. cheese all mixed in there, looking all good with the cheese. Because you want to make sure you whip it down, not like that, but yes. That's going a little too overboard, Crystal. Just to like mine a little cheesy. So yeah, now I just add some more cheese on top of it. Well. I'm vlogging. Who's playing music?
Not me.
No, you two be tripping.
My STR, she watching like kids stuff. Show you what
my phone literally about to die. You need to get some window cleaner and clean that kitchen table. I don't know what you're gonna do, what you got going on, what you mixing, but don't do it. Don't do it. You're about to eat it. I don't know what you're doing. All that crazy stuff y'all be doing, don't do it. I don't want to see no more jars of small things in the refrigerator. With all that kale syrup and all that, don't do it. Don't do it. All this syrup and stuff all over the counter and stuff. Sick of seeing all that. Give me that rag. Yeah, put this stuff in the garbage. Y'all be having all that stuff in the freezer. Here you go. Okay. No. Alright. I guess it's the Queen show tonight, not the Harris. So ain't nobody said nothing. So. Welcome to the Harris.
Your eyes are closed.
Frying pan out. You can't do the chicken till you clean the frying pan. Right, I knew that. So yeah. Oh, because you need to get washed. But it's the queen. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Trying to hit 20K or something like that. I think that's how they say it. 20K. Hey, Harris family. Don't just eat out the jar. Get what you're going to get, put on the plate. Because other people got to eat out of that. So don't just think you're going to stick the spoon and be eating up out of it. That's not going to happen. There are other people. Nobody want nothing. You putting the spoon in and then digging in and eat. No. Get what you're going to get, put it on the bowl or whatever, however you do that stuff. And close it back up. That's it. Because that's going to be 3 parts of this video. So to see part 1, you will know. You can tell I'm tired. Go turn them lights off back there unless you're paying some light bills. Y'all keep leaving all these lights on. Chicken. Alright. See, chicken. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna end the video. My phone about to die. Harris, family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We can't get this far without you. We're trying to get 200K. We're cooking. It's all right. Bye.